Hello, my name is Mark Boice with Scared Shiftless, SoCal, California, and welcome to Rides and Wrecks. And this is certainly no wreck. This is a 1960 Alfa Sprint. It is one gorgeous vehicle. We actually went underneath this car, stripped out all the undercoating and everything, went back, painted it, detailed the chassis, rebuilt the chassis, differential. There's not one portion of this car we haven't touched. It's absolutely stunning. I want to show you the detail of the undercarriage of this beauty. So this is our engine bay. We have the original bag, air cleaner, air filter, carburetor, the hose clamps. We spent a lot of time detailing everything, making sure it was correct. We have the original horn in here. Our suspension. The shocks came that green when we took it apart. The car only has like 26,000 miles on it. So we were able to go back and actually really detail it up the way it was. Our drive shaft, exhaust, all the emergency brake stuff, propeller shaft. All the fuel lines have been re-zinced. The floor is absolutely perfect. As you can see, we didn't like over detail it and get rid of the spot welds. We left all the original spot welds in there. Transmission motor mount. Again in the rear, our shocks are like a military looking green. We were able to use the original felts for the gas tank. We actually went through the parts books and tried to find what the original colors were on these things through the manufacturer. So it was like kind of a blackish looking or a zinc or a gold plating. We went right back to that finish, or even if it was natural in the books. The bub straps, those are actually reproductions. Our exhaust, little nuts double knotted. Exhaust system that came with the vehicle. I said the floor is absolutely no rust in this car whatsoever, which is unusual for a Italian-made anything. Our original heat shield, usually those are missing. They do reproduce them. They're not a very good reproduction. So as you can see, the underneath of this car is absolutely incredible, and we're almost finished. Other than having to wait for parts, these cars are pretty simple to restore. You know, if Romeo had to choose between Juliet and Julieta, he'd be driving home Julieta. This is one fine 1960 Alfa Romeo Sprint Julieta. I want to thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for some really cool tips, tricks, and the completion of this gorgeous Julieta.